Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can undo the most recent edits and changes in your documents on Bluebeam Revu. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me navigate to this example document here, and let me also insert a new blank page to show you how these edits work. So if you, for instance, let's say for instance, insert a text box, type in your text here, right? So that's a clear change or edit in your text. So if you'd like to change the edit, let's say for instance here you move the text box, customize it and so on and so forth, you can navigate, or you are given the opportunity to navigate to the most recent edits and change history. To do that though, however, you will need to enable that history first. This is how you can do it, guys. Right click into your toolbar here on the right hand side, and from there navigate to edit, or enable the edit bar here at the top. And from there, guys, what you want to do is click into that drop down menu next to the undo button. Of course, you can click into that undo button to undo the most recent changes, but if you'd like to go further back in time and delete past edits, you can click into that drop down menu and go through that list and, for example, undo it. So which one was it? For instance, edit text box, for example. As you can see, the edit has been removed. You can redo this, for example, if you'd like to undo the undoing by clicking into this button once or twice, or depending on the position of the given edit or change here in the history. And as you can see, you can access the entire edit history by clicking into this button and select the edit from that list to undo it. That's how you do it, guys. Alternatively, you may use the shortcut Ctrl-Z on your keyboard to undo something, or Command-Z if you're using a Mac, and that's how you do it alternately. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.